Hi friends, it's Liz here. I am so excited about the next unboxing for Stationery Pal. If you have seen my last unboxing, there was a giveaway with it, and congratulations to the winner, Selena. She actually received her package and she loves all the goodies that they sent. So thank you so much to Stationery Pal for that giveaway. I'm also going to be showing you how I kind of use some of the items that I received in this unboxing. I decided to do a little bit of swatching and some doodling so you can get some idea on how the products actually are. And if you haven't seen my last unboxing, I will link it below. Some awesome goodies I received last time as well. They always include all these extra little bits that are just really fun to go through. I also made a project with washi tape, actually giving you some ideas on using washi tape in a little different way. I did a process video as well for you, and I'll link those videos below if you're interested. I have a coupon code that you can use if you're interested in purchasing anything that you see here or in my last video. They have great prices, my friends, and really amazing products. Some things that I've been trying to get for such a long time, I was able to find in their shop, so that's really great. They always send a little thank you note. This one looks like they've included that 2022 calendar. I did show you this one before, so I'm not opening this one because I think I might give it away. But thank you so much for sending that little extra. This time I decided to check out some of their stickers because I will be using a lot more pieces, I think, in my planner / journals. And I wanted to check out what these ones look like. Now they are the watercolor looking stickers. I love the designs already. They're very light colored, so I think that it's almost like a see-through sticker, so you can kind of see right through wherever you're sticking them on, and you can just look at all the designs. So these are really cute. I also will have a link in the description box and on my blog for a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing anything. I think that, you know, a little bit of savings goes a long way, and their pricing definitely is very comparable to really great shops. I wanted to try these really cute sticky notes, and the reason I wanted to try them is because it looks like it's that, I forgot the word now. And these stickers also are really cute. I don't know if I ordered these or if they put them in as extras. I don't remember that. I did want to try these out with the different sentiments because I am using those a lot in my planners and journals. They have sticky notes with different planets, and I wanted to try the one with the moon because I actually have a page spread that I wanted to use something like this large for it, so I'll show you that when I actually finish it up. And then there's more stickers here that have sentiments. I also wanted to try these black sticky notes, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to just quickly test them out later. But I've been really interested in seeing how these come out, especially with like glitter pens or those really nice gel pens. I saw this little stack of papers as well, and what I thought about when I looked at it is the different images. It's almost like little snapshots, so like little photos of different things, and I think this would be so nice to like as an addition to creative journaling or even in my planner. So I'll be using some of those as well. This, oh my goodness, as soon as I saw it, I wanted to check it out. It's the tiniest little journal, but it's almost like a traveler's notebook except like a micro mini size. Look at it, it's adorable. And it comes with like little pages. I think I'm actually going to try and do some creative journaling in here. We'll see how it comes out, and I'll let you know if I start using it and when, so you can kind of follow along. But I thought it was so cute, and the price for that is just really amazing, I think. I've been wanting to try these Posca pens because of the colors and the glitter to them, so I'll be checking those out. I'll show you how they actually are used a little bit later in the video. And I've also seen these really nice markers that I also wanted to try out. Right now I've started to kind of gather my pieces that I'll be using for my 2022 journaling and planning. And I think these would be so great, especially with the kind of like more earthy tones. That's what I was going for with this. I did want to get a few gel pens, and I've been wanting the Posca pens, like the white ones, but I could only find the gold and silver right now. And then I also got the white and gold gel pens because I've been wanting to try those out, like I said, in that kind of black paper. Look at these cute little erasers. They've added so many more in there. Another thing I wanted to try was these midliners. I've heard so much about them, so I thought I would check them out with you and see if I can do some swatches with them just to check them out. The watercolor set here, the Kuritake, I've been wanting to try this for so long, so definitely I'll be showing you some videos where I'm trying to use these up. I don't know, are you a watercolor person? Do you do a lot of creative projects with watercolor? If you do, leave me a comment below. Let me know. Let me know what your favorite things are to make with your watercolors, because look at these beautiful, oh my gosh, I love the colors in them. So I'll definitely be trying these out, probably in a later video, but I'll definitely let you know when I've started that. And then this one I thought would be another thing that I've been wanting to check out. I thought these would be so great, like a travel scissors. Obviously not right now because no one's traveling, but these would be so great to have in like a, in a little pencil pouch. So scissors that already have like their little protection, so I don't have to worry about injuries, etc. So that was something I want to try out. And this looks like it belongs to the calendar. Another cute little pin. And these watercolor brush pens. I'm definitely looking forward to trying them out. So what I'll be doing is maybe a little swatching. Maybe I'll do a little bit of, doodling with them just so you can check out the colors. And I also want to know how the actual brush pen itself, like, and how great they work. So I'm going to start that. And let me know if any of these pieces are something that you already have, and if you do, what you think of them. Like I said, I'll have the link to Stationery Pal below. Thank you to Stationery Pal for sending me these goodies to review for all of you, and keep an eye out for another little giveaway that I might be coming up very soon with them as well. Now these are the other sets that I wanted to try, and I really do like how they feel. I like how the ink comes out, and it's quite easy to use the tip as well. It's not, I have a little bit of control with it, so I really like that. So I think these would be so great if you're doing any type of maybe bullet journaling or creative journaling. These would be so nice to go along with that. These were the midliners that I mentioned I wanted to try, and I'm already noticing the tip is like a brush pen tip. So, it's a little bit hard for me to manage because I don't use brush tips a lot. But I think if you are a person that uses them often, you would probably really like them. So this page for sure will be like a color swatch / a little bit of doodling just to check out some of the pens. So I do like how they feel, and I definitely think that there's a lot of color in each pen, which is really nice. I'm not feeling like it's going to run out so quick or anything like that. Now the Posca markers, these have always been one of those things that I have found very difficult to find, but they carry a lot of them in the shop with Stationery Pal. You do have to shake them and prime them before they get started. And I'm really liking how the color is, and the actual tip itself, it's very easy to use. So like I said, you do have to prime them by shaking them and making sure that the ink is flowing. And then you'll notice that they're like really great markers. But what I love about them is you can use them in mixed media as well. So if you had, let's say, a page that's got some dry acrylics or some gesso, you could actually color right on top of those and they would still come out really lovely. So that's the one good thing I find A lot of mixed media artists use the Posca pens, and I really like the variety of colors that this set comes in. Now they do have other sets, other colors, and they also sell them individually. So I will be showing you the other two as well that I picked up, the one in silver and gold. I wanted to kind of use those maybe as highlights. Initially I thought about using them, you know, when I was going to do something for the holidays, like maybe embellishing something for Christmas, etc. Now the next ones I'm going to show you are the glitter ones. So anyways, moving on, I did want to try the black sticky notes and of course the little scissors. So I'm just going to see how they cut. And they are very small, but definitely do the job. So in a snap, if I needed to have a pair of scissors on hand, I think I would definitely take these along. Like I said, they have the little cover for them as well, and that's very helpful, especially if you're traveling with them. So what I wanted to try is these, the two gel pens, I think they are, and the Posca markers. I will link everything that you've seen here below, so you can quickly check out if you're interested in anything. I have to remove the covers there from the Posca pens, but for sure I'll start with these gel pens. Now I don't know if it'll start to write right away or if it'll take a couple of tries. Nope, it's right away, so this is really nice. And I'm just trying to see how that will look on the black sticky note. So if you do hand lettering, I think the black sticky notes are really perfect for, you know, those standout things that you like to doodle or words, etc. And I'm really liking just how striking the color is against the black. I'm going to try the white one. And again, it's just, you know, seeing how easy it is to use these, how much ink it feels like they have. And I think I really like the feel of these as well. Now this white one doesn't seem to be very bright of a color, but I'm sure you can still see the whiteness coming through on the black pen. Okay, so the next two, and these will be the last for today, I'm just going to take out the plastic on both of them. And then again, these ones have to be primed just like the other ones. And you can see in a minute here, I'm just going to show you how they look. Look how bright that comes out. I love it. It's like using acrylic paint, but in a pen format. I really love that. And now I'm just going to try the gold one. Okay, my friends, I will have everything I have used here linked in the description box below. Remember to use that coupon code if you decide to purchase anything. I'm really happy with their products. Their pricing is great. And like I said, some of the markers, I'll have to see how I use them. Let me know, again, how you use watercolors, if you use watercolors, because that's probably one thing that I'd like to get a little bit more into in the new year. And maybe I'll be using a little bit more of that in my journaling as well. So thanks for joining me. Keep an eye out on those giveaways. Join my swap. Details will be coming soon, and I'll see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.